So these are the actions which were going on, which were happening in the past time. Now, past continuous tense is used to describe an action. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action which is going on at or period of in the past. ऐसे कार्य जो भूतकाल में continuous which are continuously in was playing cricket. He was playing cricket. He was playing cricket. Above actions were going on in the past time. They were watching TV. They were watching TV. They were watching TV. He was swimming in the river, and my friend was repairing the car. Next, past continuous tense ऐसे कार्य जो व्यक्ति पास्ट में आदतन यानी फ्रीक्वेंटली करता रहता था, ऐसे वाक्य में ऑलवेज, कंटिन्यूली, कॉन्स्टेंटली इन एडवर्ब्स का इस्तेमाल होता है. When an action was continuously going on in the past, or it was the habit of the actions which were going on in the past time, with those actions, some adverbs are used. For example, always, continually, constantly. For example, he was always helping the others. 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 So this his activity of helping others was not just one time going on in the past, but it was his habit of helping the others in the past. He was always helping the others. He was always helping the others. Next, he was constantly crying. He was constantly complaining those days. He was constantly complaining those days. Means it was his habit or it was his problem of constantly complaining. He was constantly complaining those days. Then they were continually playing. Continually playing and doing nothing. There is a particular time for playing and only in that period you can play. दूसरी घटना घटित हुई हो एवं अन्य कोई कार्य भी जारी रहा हो.
Sir,
Important. This note or the tip or that actually one action is completed and that action is completed at the time of other action was going on or is going on in the past, and to such actions we use past continuous tense. ऐसे स्थिति में भी पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का प्रयोग किया जाता है जब कोई दूसरी घटना घटित हुई हो. When other action is completed and one action is going on, and for the action which is going on in the past we use past continuous tense. Let me clear this by the next example. When he arrived, when he when he arrived when he arrived, his wife was washing her clothes. His wife was washing his clothes. Dear friend, one action is completed and at the time the second action was going on. When he arrived, this action is completed, but the same time what was going on, his wife was washing his clothes, and for such action we use past continuous tense. The boy was knocked down by a car. Next example, the boy knocked down by a car. The boy was knocked down by a car. One action is finished, but the same time another action was going on. The boy was knocked down by a car while he was crossing the road. While he was crossing the road. While he was crossing the road. The boy was knocked down by a car while he was crossing the road. One action is finished, but another action is going on. And for such action, we use past continuous tense. The boy was knocked down by a car while he was crossing the road. The sun was just setting as they reached the hill. Very beautiful example. The sun was setting. The sun was setting as they reached the hill. As they reached the hill. As they reached the hill. The sun was setting as they reached the hill. They reached the hill, first action. When they reached the hill, as they reached the hill, the sun was setting. Dear friends, एक साथ दो कार्य होते रहने की स्थिति में भी in these 2 to 3 examples we have seen, one action is completed, one action is over, and other was going on. For the action which was going on, or for the other action which was going on, we have used past continuous tense. Next, एक साथ दो कार्य होते रहने की स्थिति में भी पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का प्रयोग दोनों कार्य हेतु किया जाता है. In the last example that you have seen, the sun was setting as they reached the hill. The sun was setting as they reached the hill. Here one action is finished, still the other action was going on. And for that other action we have used past continuous tense. Now dear students, here we have to remember, एक साथ दो कार्य होते रहने के स्थिति में भी, when two actions are going on at the same time, and for those two actions to be expressed, we use past continuous tense. For example, while she was cooking, while she was cooking, this is the first action which is going on. While she was cooking, I was studying. I was studying. Here two actions you can see, and both actions are going on in the past. And for these actions, we use past continuous tense. In earlier example, look at here. In earlier example, the sun was setting as they reached the hill. One action was completed, and for the other action which was going on, we have used past continuous tense. But next, note is that when two actions are going on at the same time in the past, and for those two actions to express, we use past continuous tense. Here you can see on the screen two actions. While she was cooking, it means she was cooking at the time of she was cooking. She was cooking. I was studying. One more example. While they were playing, while they were playing, one action, Ramesh was reading. Jayesh was reading. Jayesh was reading. Both the actions are going on. Then one action is going on, the other action is also in process or in progress. While they were playing, Jayesh was reading. While they were playing, I was watching TV. While They were playing. I was watching TV. They were playing. I was watching TV. Both the actions were going on simultaneously. For first action and other action, past continuous tense is used. Past continuous tense is used. While they were playing, I was watching TV. So in this way, dear friends, past continuous tense is used for those actions which were going on in the past time. For example, he was playing cricket, they were watching TV, he was swimming in the river, my friend was repairing the car. Then ऐसे कार्य जो व्यक्ति पास्ट में आदतन और फ्रीक्वेंटली करता रहता है, तो ऐसे सेंटेंस में ऑलवेज, कंटिन्यूअसली और कॉन्स्टेंटली एडवर्ब्स का इस्तेमाल हो. When there is an habit or habitual or frequent action going on in the past time, the adverbs like always, continually, and constantly are used in the sentence. For example, he was always helping others. They were constantly complaining those days. They were continually flying. Then ऐसे स्थिति में भी पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का प्रयोग किया जाता है जब कोई दूसरी घटना घटित हुई हो एवं अन्य कोई कार्य भी जारी रहा हो. Dear friends, one action is completed in the past and another action was going on. To express such actions, we use past continuous tense. For example, when he arrived, his wife was washing her clothes. The boy was knocked down by a car while he was crossing the road. The sun was setting as they reached the hill. Then, when two actions were going on at the same time in the past, to express both the actions, we use past continuous tense. For example, while she was cooking, I was washing the clothes. I was washing the clothes. While I was singing, Ramesh was reading. While they were playing, I was watching TV. And while he was reading, I was playing. Now, next is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense. I had written a letter. I had written a letter. The structure. I had written a letter. I had written a letter. Subject plus had plus P3. P3. P3 means third form of the verb. This is the past participle form of the verb. Written. Write first form. Write wrote WROT wrote second form and written third form. And writing fourth form. So written and plus object. Now had is used with first person singular number, plural number, second person singular number, plural number, third person singular number, plural number. Whether the subject is in singular or plural, that is used with that. And then V3, third form of the verb. This is called the past participle form of the verb and object. This V3 is used in present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Let's look at the examples of past perfect tense. The train had departed. The train had departed. The train had departed the station. The train had departed. The train had departed the station. Then the patient had died. The patient had died. We had completed our study. Our study. I had written a letter. We had written a letter. You had written a letter. He had written a letter. She had written a letter. It had written a letter. Then they had written a letter. My friend had written a letter. My friends had written a letter. Subject plus had plus P3 plus object. So past perfect tense का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्य हेतु किया जाता है जो भूतकाल में पूर्ण हो गए. For example, the train had departed the station. The patient had died. We had completed our study. I had already helped him. I had already helped him. Then the thieves had run away. The thieves had run away before the police arrived. Past perfect tense का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्य हेतु किया जाता है जो भूतकाल में कार्य पूर्ण हो गए. The actions which are completed in the past time, to express such actions, we use past perfect tense. She had written a novel. Jesh had gone to America. She had advised Sita. I had warned you. I had already visited Agra. All these are the examples of past perfect tense. And in the next session, we are going to learn the uses of past perfect tense. Dear friends, in the next session, we are going to learn the past perfect tense. पास्ट परफेक्ट का प्रयोग निम्न प्रकार के वाक्यों में किया जाता है। ऐसे वाक्य के दो भाग नहीं होते, लेकिन वाक्यों को देखने से स्पष्ट होता है कि कार्य वर्तमान से पूर्व ही पूर्ण हो चुका है। द एक्शन which is completed in the past time. For example, he had already informed me. He had already informed me. He had already informed me. I had already warned him. And when action is completed in the past time, to express such actions we use past perfect tense. Sir, next part of this will be taken in our next session. Dear students, the next part, other uses of past perfect tenses will be you taken in our next part. Don't go anywhere. ऋषिकेश सर, या ठिकाणी थांबू. पुन्हा थोड्या वेळात सुरू करू. हॅलो.
So less than 1 minute we have. परत join करावं लागणार.
हाँ, yes sir, yes sir. Dear students,